Video to fix Black Myth, Wukong controller lag. And if your inputs feel delayed, let me ask you, are you playing Black Myth, Wukong, and noticing that your controller responds slowly or actions register late? This problem usually happens because input settings are not optimized, drivers are outdated, or background apps interfere with the controller. Sometimes Windows updates or conflicting software also trigger lag. Many people search YouTube or social media and find long guides with risky driver changes, complicated system tweaks, or steps that feel hard to follow. Most of those fixes waste time and still don't solve the problem. But on Rexish, I focus on simple and reliable solutions. Now here's my secret easy trick. Instead of adjusting everything randomly, we fix the exact system, driver, and game path that causes controller lag. This works because it syncs inputs properly and reduces latency. The method is fast, safe, and works on all setups once you apply it. Controls respond instantly. Gameplay feels smooth, and the problem disappears. I tested this fix on multiple PCs, and it worked every time. That is why Rexish shares smart, stress-free solutions. If controller lag in Black Myth, Wukong is frustrating you, and you want a full step-by-step tutorial with exact actions, comment below and I will guide you completely.